Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to verify email address on Discord. So first of all, launch Discord app on your mobile device, then tap on the option that says you at the bottom right. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Here we go. Now from here go to account. Now over here tap on the section where your email address is mentioned. Here we go. Now, in order to verify your email, you have to tap on Send Verification Code option here. Now, you have to open your email address and check for the email sent to you by Discord. Now, this is the verification code that I would have to enter on Discord in order to verify my email. Now, let's enter the code here. And then if you tap on the option of next, you'll be able to verify your email on Discord. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.